Okay, so in this video, I'm just going to talk a little bit about what is factorial ANOVA, or what are factorial designs. So our goals as we go through this is to look at the rationale on why you do a factorial design, talk a little bit about variance and how factorial ANOVA and how factorial designs account for that variance, and then also to look at interaction effects and interpretation of graphs for interaction effects. So the question you might be asking is, what is factorial ANOVA, or what are factorial designs? So it is a statistical analysis that allows you to look at the outcome of a dependent variable. Remember, your dependent variable is what you are measuring. When you have more than one independent variable, and remember, your independent variable is that which is going to influence the dependent variable. So I'm going to give you here an example here in a moment. So here we have, imagine you are measuring grit of leaders at higher institutions, both private and state, and also between males and females. So in this case, our independent variables are your institution and your gender. So I've got a private and state institution, and I've got males and females. And my dependent variable is going to be grit. And this would be considered a 2 by 2 factorial ANOVA. So notice here's 2 because I've got private and state. And this is 2 because it's males and females. Now your factorial ANOVA, sometimes you'll see a 3 by 2 or a 2 by 2 by 2. Because that each one of these represents, this is one independent variable and this is another independent variable, and each one of these independent variables have 2 levels. And you'll see later on when we do SPSS that it's going to talk about levels and factors in factorial ANOVA. So that's just a basic introduction of what factorial ANOVA is.